Welcome back. We're picking up right where we left off last week on our road trip across America. All right, we made it to Red Rocks Adventure Park in Oklahoma. I think it's Hinton, Oklahoma. We got this pretty sweet camp spot that's on this grass. We're backed up to these, I guess, red rocks. So there's a bunch of trails and everything that's going off around here. Pretty sweet looking camping area. So we'll adventure around here and see everything that there is to see. All right, we made it to historic Scott Lake in Kansas. And surprisingly enough, it's windy in Kansas. Right there's the lake, kind of wraps around. We got a decent spot. I don't think there's any like spots that have like a really like overview of the lake. We're on a pretty good corner spot here. We got the tents more than nailed down here. Like we got them, like I think this one has 8, 9, 10 stakes in it. So yeah, it's pretty tattooed to the ground. And I'm using these giant stake salts. I'll probably do a short about them instead of they're like a foot long nail that I got at Home Depot. So definitely using those. So far the bug situation's okay. Flies are a little bitey, but all right, so we're leaving. We actually got here late, so there was nothing really to film. It was more of a frantic thing to put the tents together, but now we're breaking down and we're headed to Rocky Mountain National Park. There's a campground just outside of there that we're staying at. But before we get there, of course, we had to stop at Dad's Donuts.
I like how it has a nail open sign.
I think it is. They got the strawberry shortcake. All right, so we got the seasonal, which was the strawberry shortcake. We got 2 raspberries. We got the lemon drop and the seasonal jelly, which is strawberry rhubarb, and then passion fruit and the sugared maple. Wow, that one's gooey.
Very good raspberry flavor.
All right, which one did you get?
Passion fruit again, but they changed it a little bit. It's really good.
Alright, I got the seasonal jelly, which is a sugar-covered strawberry rhubarb jelly. So. I didn't get a Bingham jelly, but they're really good.
Yep, I also got the raspberry. Yeah, still that very potent raspberry flavor without it being too overwhelming.
All right, and I'm trying the strawberry shortcake, which was just released on 4th of July, the day before. Oh. Wow. Not a lot hits like a Dad's donut. Wow. All right, so now I'm trying the lemon drop. Let's see how the lemon drop goes. Last time we were here, I think this was sold out. Oh, wow. It's got a potent lemon flavor, but man, it's good.
Oh, that's some potent lemon.
This one, it's the salted maple. This has always been sold out every time we've come, so this is the first time we're trying it.
Oh, wow.
So my wife is a bit of a maple snob, so to me that tasted like real maple to me.
The salt is perfect.
I know. Seriously, I spend more time cleaning everybody's stuff away so that I can't find it.
That is really good. Wow.
So bad. Oh my god.
That's a good maple. I see why I thought I sold out.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, we made it to Boyd Lake Campground. We did Rocky Mountain National Park earlier today. Fill you in more on that when we're putting up the patches, but we're just setting up tents right now. Pretty busy campground, and we're going to then go to Casper tomorrow and camp on Casper Mountain. All right, we are on top of Casper Mountain. We made it by the grace of God, and check out all the trees. So we came from humid Texas to now freezing cold, what, 6,000, 7,000 feet elevation?
It was almost 8,000.
8,000 feet elevation in Wyoming. So yeah, we're gonna go back down, get some firewood, get some provisions, and then we'll be back up here setting up camp. And this is probably one of the prettiest campgrounds on top of Casper Mountain. It's got a campfire going. But yeah, we're here today. It did rain earlier, you can see. We're here for 2 days, and then from there we're gonna go to Buffalo Bill Reservoir in Cody, Wyoming, right outside of Yellowstone, and then gonna go into Yellowstone. But this campground is pretty sweet. Such a big departure from Texas, where it was like hot and humid. Here it's like low humidity and cold. We've already seen deer. What kind of deer? Three male. Three male deer, big rack of antlers.
One doe as well.
One doe. So we're gonna hang around the fire, and then don't know if I'm gonna do any water tests here. That's where I'm testing the dehumidifier. Gonna check out, see how cold it gets, because we don't have any service here. But all right, we're back with patches.
Yes.
We got one from Red Rocks, and then we got the only thing that they had for Scott Lake was this hiking medallion, so we'll go with that. And then we were at Lake Pueblo, so they had this patch, and then we got another hiking medallion. And then we went to Rocky Mountain National Park, and they had this, and this. So what did you think about Red Rocks?
It was really pretty. There was a big spider there.
And we were camping in that whole loop alone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. There was nobody around us.
And then what did we think about historic Scott Lake?
It was pretty. We threw a lot of rocks in the river. Or the lake.
Lake River. And then Lake Pueblo, we weren't there that long because we were mainly using it to sleep and to park the trailer. Not a lot of shade there, and pretty flat and kind of deserty.
Yeah.
And then Rocky Mountain State Park, we just went up to Bear Lake. Unfortunately, we can't do every single thing at every national park because we're kind of running through them, but we did go up to Bear Lake and we checked that out. What did you think about Bear Lake?
It was interesting. I don't think I saw any bears.
What about the ocelot?
There was an ocelot, yes.
An axolotl.
I didn't see any bears though.
Was it axolotl or oxalof?
Axolotl.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is sort of a weird patch, so it kind of has like a thing where I guess you can take it off. All right, so we're not going to use that part. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to probably stick that guy right there. And yes, we did stop at Walmart and got a lot more hot glue, so she can go kind of crazy with her hot glue. She doesn't like being judged on her hot glue, though.
If.
All right, so I'm thinking we're going to do this one now. This is the next. I mean, this patch is kind of gigantic.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right, so this kind of tapers in a little bit. So, all right, so where do you want it?
There.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, what a great choice.
I know, it's so original.
Oh. Okay, so I guess the issue we have here is all the other medallions from the national parks are nice and big, but this one for Rocky Mountain is tiny. So I think we're gonna put it off to one side, and then these ones are the same. So why don't we do the coin first?
Okay.
These always burn me, so just be careful.
Because they're metal.
Is that even enough to make it stick?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Not enough to burn you, hopefully.
Oh, it already burned me.
Oh, that's not good. You don't need to hold it there like that. You're going to burn yourself.
I'm trying to make sure it sticks.
You snap.
Okay.
There you go.
That one's burning me. What? Okay, well this one's burning me too.
Probably because I put more on it.
I noticed.
Yeah.
So where are we off to now?
Yellowstone.
Maybe Grand Tetons.
Yeah.
Staying at Buffalo Bill
Yeah.
Reservoir.
Mhm.
It's the one with all the dry wood.
Yes, there.
Yeah, you remember now?
Yes.
All right, so hopefully we get a Yellowstone one, and hopefully it's the same size as those. And then we'll go there, and maybe a Grand Tetons one. And then from there, we will be up to Glacier. Did you see a bunch of deer running through here this morning?
There was 5 deer this morning, 1 male and 4 does. They were just staring at us like they were trying to confront us about something. I don't know what. Then they ran away.
Okay. So we'll pick you back up when we're there. All right, we made it to Buffalo Bill Reservoir, just outside Cody, Wyoming. Got kind of a storm moving in, but we're gonna cook burgers tonight. We're gonna get both tents set up. I probably need to start staking that one. It's gonna be a fun night. We're just outside Yellowstone, so we're gonna hit Yellowstone tomorrow. We stopped at the Grand Prismatic Springs. They were particularly steamy and foggy today. I think it's just the right weather conditions that make it even more steamy and foggy. But then we hiked up to the top and got an awesome view from the top looking down. We also went to the Grand Tetons. So yes, it was quite a long day, probably 8 hours of driving. So after we got back to camp, I decided to shoot a short for a different channel. It's going to be only photography, so if you want to check that channel out, there'll be a link in the description. But so we're trying to shoot the Milky Way with the reflection off of the lake, the reservoir, and all of a sudden a meteorite comes in behind me. It feels like a helicopter with a spotlight, but check it out. And the whoa. Did you get that? Wow, we just saw a meteorite come in. Wow. Okay, so wasn't that cool? But just in case you're interested, this is the photo I was going for. Thanks for watching. Next week's episode, the fun still continues. Check out this campground in Montana, which said that there's grizzly bears in the area. Fun. We also meet some locals at Glacier National Park. Then check out this campground at Diamond Lake, probably one of our favorite camp spots of the trip. And of course we hit Yosemite. And to top it all off, I got to swim in a volcano. So you'll have to tune in next week to see what that's all about. But if you're liking this content, we really appreciate you guys subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing the content.